In this investment minute, I want to look over what does all investing involve. All investing involves the idea generation and having a thesis, having a theory as to why something might move, why a share price might move. We look at here at Apple, okay, and you can see price earnings. We know that is an impact, the price of a company relative to the profits it generates. But we know it's not the only thing to look at. How do we know this? Well, we can analyze it to death across many companies over many years. So how do we, if we get an idea, as opposed to a journalist comment saying, oh, the PE looks attractive, i.e. they look at one factor, how do we, if we get an idea, such as journalists saying, look at Apple, how do we evaluate it? Well, the things we need to evaluate come out from a variety of theories, such as the theory that the price to earnings matters, but it's not the only thing. The price to the book value of a company matters, but it's not the only thing. To its sales matters, but it's not the only thing. EBITDA, look at how much data there is. Little wonder people then give it away to fund managers. Well, in actual fact, the things that I think matter the most, and then we work out the weightings, are valuation, which does include price earnings and price earnings growth, but it's not the only thing. Growth, revenue growth, year on year. Okay, dividend yields, those are relevant. They do matter, but they're not the only thing. Momentum, the trend of the price, okay, of the company, volatility of the company, and cash flow matters. We know that certainly during COVID, the ability of a company to generate cash flow, but it's not the only thing. Once you set upon what are the things you're going to look at, in my case, they're the ones I've just mentioned, and you give them certain weightings, that's the basis on which you've got a structure and to evaluate every single company. So there you go. Idea generation, thesis, method of evaluation. In future videos, I'll go into more detail on each one of those and what the weightings should be, but that's a simple overview on how to do it. Okay, and it should make things a lot simpler for you as a result.